Okay, class, let's continue with the activity language focus number 1. So, this topic is about justa and would. So, here I have the grammar box, and you can see this in light blue. It says justa, affirmative, negative questions, and would, and show us affirmative, and you know that this is negative, and the last part is a question with two answers, affirmative and negative. Complete an example from the text, then choose the correct words to complete the rules. Okay, first of all, let's complete the idea. Let's go to the activity. So remember, these activities are based on the reading. Okay, so let's see. Both boys and girls to wear extravagant makeup. Justa or would? Justa. You know why? You know why? Because in this part says justa. Affirmative in negative form. Remember, when we use justa and would, we refer to the past. So in negative form, didn't use. Remember, in the first part says just with letter D. In the second part, no letter D. Okay, be careful. You say they didn't use, used to. Okay, they didn't used to spend a lot of money on clothes. Let's continue with the next activity. What did the different groups use? Okay, excuse me, did the different groups use to call themselves? And we have another question. Did you used to be a hippie? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. So this is the first part. No? In the first part, you use justa. And you complete all the sentences with this form. Now let's continue with the second part. In the second part says would. So it means that you are going to use justa? No, you're going to use would. For example, they put a lot on, they put a lot of gel in it. They would, no, put a lot of gel in it. They could be wooden, yes. Paint flowers in their hands and faces. But this is information from the text, and there was a group, so it's would. They would paint flowers on their hands and faces. And let's see the questions. Will he break the rules? Yes, he would. No, he wouldn't. Mister, and both are the same, so I can use would or I can use justa. There is a small difference. There is a small difference when you use a would or a justa. For example, a difference between justa and would is that would is not used with stative verbs such as love, be, understand, and feel. So be careful. You won't say I would love or I would be in this activity. Also, you can use only would when you talk about activities that was repeated in the past, but they have a time. For example, I would watch cartoons every Saturday, but now I don't. I would watch cartoons every Saturday, and Saturday is the sequence. All Saturdays I watched cartoons. So I would watch cartoons. Mr. and Justa? Okay, Justa is when you don't specify the time. You did it, but maybe you don't remember the time. For example, when I was a child, when I was I don't know 6 years old, I used to watch cartoons. Teacher, on Saturdays, I don't remember. Could be on Saturdays, on Sundays. I don't know. I was too kid. But there are other people that say, no, mister, when I was a child, I would watch cartoons every Saturday after my homework. So in that moment, you can see that there is a specific moment to use would. That's the only difference. Okay? Let's see in a different video.